Alright, so we've got the car all taped off right now. Got that done, rear glass, gas cap, all the turn signal stuff, little windshield wiper washer dudes, and yeah, basically everything. Taillights, these guys. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. It's all sanded, it's ready to go. Hopefully we'll get painting soon. The temperature's pretty good, but unfortunately it's pretty windy, so we're gonna have to try to find some way to combat that with the body kit stuff, because originally we were gonna just paint that outside. But yeah, we're gonna get some tarps up in the garage and get ready to go for it. So yeah, I think people get the idea that we have a huge garage. This is a good idea of how big our garage is.
You can put 2 cars in here, but you probably couldn't get out of both of them.
Yeah.
At the same time.
You could park 2 Miatas in here and be all right. Still have to, yeah, I don't know why you'd do that, but
Sorry, Miata guys, they're cool cars. We're too tall.
yeah.
Our heads like stick like the windshield is here.
Yeah.
Doesn't work.
The gun ran out of primer, so we're trying to mix up some more primer as fast as we can so that it doesn't dry too much and make it awkward and uneven, because as it dries it evens out and gets a nice flat layer. So we don't want this to dry out all the way, otherwise we'll have some weird uneven bullshit. Right?
Something like that.
Something like that. Yeah, brother! Alright, so we're about to put paint on the actual top coat. The car is all primed, ready to go. So it looks really good. Uh-oh, we got a problem. Alright, but we got the gun loaded up with the top coat, and we're getting the air compressor plugged in right now, and then we're gonna get spraying. It's a little nerve-wracking because paint is a whole lot thinner than primer is, and
We're using the same gun and the same tip.
we're using the same gun and the same tip, so it's gonna have to be adjusted quite a bit so that it'll do us good.
It's coming out so fast.
Oh, it's so sparkly and beautiful.
It's so fast. Oh my god, dude. Okay.
If you didn't hear him, he said he was going to start painting on a spot where there's an over-fender, so that if it's bad, well, it just gets covered. Seems sound.